Hello, this is Ben's cooking show. Now, if you're wondering, this is here because I don't want you to stalk my school. Today, we are doing cooking. Not usually what we do. We usually do lightsabers, but today we're doing cooking. First, got to get the eggs. Get the pan. We're making egg on toast, by the way, because it is the morning. Got to be careful with the badge. Fry line. Put the egg there. No, I'm not even turning. Okay. Oh! I've cracked my egg! No! What a shame. Nah, I don't really care, to be honest. I can't show my school. Oh, God, I got the host. Can't forget that. Oh, wait a second. Just some technical difficulties. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Ah! Go get your toast. It's that time of year. No one watches my videos anyway. I don't really care if I get stalked. Now we've just got away. So unpeel an orange. Oh, why is that so molten? Spatula, where is it? Oh! Oh, there it is. R.I.P. that egg yolk. My mum's coming down. Whatever she says is not true. She just stood on the stairs. Oh! Oh! Here she comes. She stood on the stairs again. Probably looking at Asda deals. Come on, cook. Hi.
Right, here's
Making a YouTube video.
for a start. Don't use the. You need to use the bigger one because that's too little for the thing. Yeah.
Alright.
You're learning. What's happened to your egg?
Say hello to my mum YouTube. They can't see you.
Oh, don't do that. You know it annoys me. Like, so badly annoys me that. I hate it. Right, I'll be back for you, I think, but I'm just going to leave the key in the hamper just in case something goes wrong. Yeah? You can get in okay, can't you?
Oh, what are you doing? Should be cooking. Right, everyone. Where's the lamb sauce? Oh no! My toes!
What about it?
Ah! It's hot! Ah! I knew this was ending. I forgot about it. Oh! Come on! Bloody good. The toast to fail and the eggs to fail.
Go back to it. Just put it down there.
Oh. Look at it. It's like my nan's bottom.
Right, quiet now.
Yeah, this is what a Wednesday morning looks like. I just want to pop it, but I don't. Oh yes, I popped it. Satisfying. How am I supposed to? No!
Oh my god, Ben! Chill out!
I don't know how to cook.
Will you calm down a bit?
I'll try.
No, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Benjamin Graham. It's going absolutely Pete Tong. Right. Right, that's ready. Go on. Do you want a coffee?
2 sugars, please.
Will you drink it?
Yeah. Now, if any of my schoolmates are watching this, Freya, you might watch. Freya, you might watch this. This is why I'm so hyper in the school day. Because I have 2 sugars in my coffee. What are you doing? Oh, is it red?
I'm not gonna lie, coming downstairs to hear Bethan, Louis and James's verdict on who's going is incredibly nerve-wracking. I just hope we made the right decision.
Where's the brown sauce?
I actually feel
Oh, go on, do one. I'm using it. Put it back.
Okay, here's the finishing touch.
I leave tonight.
And I hope you liked that video. Goodbye!
This person to leave.